Doing that now, doing the scrap for almost a year and a half. What do? We don't make money doing scrap. Well, they bring the container here. The worst problem, the biggest loss is the reefer units. They cannot find anybody to buy them. The manufacturer doesn't want them. In America, you don't have labor to refurbish them. If you take them to India or any third world country, they will never throw them away. But in America, we have loads and loads of reefers. The engine that cool the container. A reefer unit that's about 8 feet wide and 8 feet high, and about 3 feet in thickness. Of course, we took them from that. They take them, they remove them. Mine, the one I have, we already removed. If you look at here, this one in the front, at the number, they removed the reefer, but they cannot find anybody in America to buy them. So they decided to move them from Salt Lake City to Chicago to become in the center of the country, on the hope that if somebody can buy them, it can be at equal distance. If a person from New York or Florida or wanted to buy them, they'll be in Chicago closer than Utah. Then they changed their mind. Yesterday I have to take a load of 10 of them, 10 reefer units, put them on intermodal storage in Salt Lake City until somebody can buy them.